Winter doesn't stop hunger, and it doesn't stop growth either. While most gardens go silent when temperatures drop, a small group of growers keeps harvesting fresh food every single week without stepping outside. The secret isn't expensive lights or complex systems. It's knowing exactly which vegetables are biologically wired to thrive indoors and how to push them for speed. Once you understand this, winter becomes one of the most productive seasons of the year, not a pause button. This is the indoor growing blueprint, nature's blueprint gardeners use to stay fed, fresh, and ahead. Let's get straight into what actually works. Why indoor winter growing works faster than outdoor gardening. Indoor growing removes the biggest growth limiters plants face. There is no frost stress, no wind damage, no sudden temperature drops, and no competition from weeds. When light, moisture, and nutrients are controlled, plants redirect energy straight into edible growth. That is why certain vegetables mature faster indoors than they ever would outside. The key is choosing crops that evolved for rapid leaf production, shallow roots, and frequent harvesting. These are the vegetables that reward you quickly and repeatedly, even in small spaces. Leafy greens that mature in days, not months. Spinach is one of the most reliable indoor winter crops because it thrives in cooler conditions and does not require intense light. When grown indoors, spinach focuses on leaf production instead of survival. Use shallow containers with loose soil, sow seeds densely, and harvest outer leaves once they reach hand size. New growth follows immediately. Lettuce varieties like loose-leaf butterhead and oak leaf, they actually perform even faster indoors. They don't need to form full heads before you can start harvesting. With cut and comeback harvesting, just one planting can feed you for weeks. This honestly makes lettuce one of the highest return winter vegetables by space used. Microgreens deliver nutrition at record speed. Radish microgreens, for example, are among the fastest edible plants you can grow. From seed to harvest in as little as 7 days, they offer strong flavor and dense nutrition. Indoors, they require nothing more than shallow trays, light watering, and moderate light. Pea shoots follow closely behind. They thrive in winter indoor conditions because they prefer cool temperatures and moderate light. Harvesting does not kill the plant, allowing regrowth for a second or even third cut. Green onions are honestly one of the easiest indoor vegetables to grow, yet they're often overlooked. They need just a little bit of light and, interestingly, can thrive in either soil or water. When you grow green onions in soil, they actually regenerate continuously after each cutting. This means you get a pretty much permanent supply with almost no effort at all. The trick, really, is in how you harvest them. Always make sure to cut above the soil line and leave the base intact. You'll notice new shoots emerging quickly, often in just a few days. This makes green onions ideal for kitchens with limited windowsill space. Pak choi, tatsoi, and mizuna are winter champions. These greens evolved to grow in cool, low-light environments, which makes them perfect for indoor conditions. They germinate quickly, grow compactly, and produce tender leaves that are ready for harvest within 3 to 4 weeks. Their shallow roots allow them to thrive in small containers, and their rapid regrowth supports multiple harvests from a single planting. Flavor improves in cooler indoor temperatures, making them even more valuable during winter months. Herbs that grow faster indoors than outdoors. Cilantro is notoriously difficult outdoors due to heat-induced bolting, but indoors it becomes predictable and productive. Cooler temperatures slow flowering and extend leaf production. Frequent harvesting keeps plants compact and productive. Parsley also performs exceptionally well indoors during winter. It grows slowly at first, then accelerates once established. Harvesting outer stems encourages continuous new growth. These herbs provide high flavor impact from a very small footprint. Root vegetables, harvested young for speed. Radishes grown indoors mature faster than almost any root crop. The key is harvesting them young. Baby radishes develop in as little as 3 weeks indoors when moisture is consistent and light is sufficient. They require deeper containers than leafy greens, but, they reward you quickly. Baby turnips follow a similar pattern. When harvested early, they deliver tender roots and edible greens, doubling their value per plant. The soil formula that accelerates indoor winter growth. Indoor plants rely entirely on what you provide, so soil biology matters more than ever. To boost growth naturally, use a simple microbial watering formula once seedlings develop their first true leaves. Mix 5 liters of non-chlorinated water with 1 teaspoon of unsulfured molasses and half a cup of worm castings. Stir well and let it sit for 30 minutes. Water lightly at the base of plants once every 2 weeks. This feeds beneficial microbes that convert nutrients into forms plants absorb instantly. This single step dramatically improves leaf size, color, and regrowth speed without synthetic fertilizers. Light placement, really multiplies harvest speed. Indoor vegetables don't actually need super intense light, but they do need consistent light. Position your grow lights, or, even bright windows, so that plants receive 12 to 14 hours of light every single day. Keep the lights close enough to prevent stretching, but not so close that heat builds up. Consistent light cycles train plants to grow predictably. This stability increases harvest reliability, which is, crucial for winter food production. Harvesting methods that keep plants producing longer are really important. Never harvest everything at once. Instead, remove outer leaves first and allow inner growth points to remain intact. This approach keeps plants alive and productive far longer than one-time harvesting. Indoor growing, honestly, rewards patience and precision. Small, frequent harvests actually outperform large, infrequent ones in total yield over time. So, why does indoor winter growing build food security? Well, fresh food access is not just about convenience, it's really about resilience. Indoor winter growing ensures that, no matter the weather, supply chains, or seasons, nutrient-dense vegetables are available. Once the system is set up, it pretty much becomes automatic. This isn't about replacing outdoor gardening. It's really about extending it all year round. If this guide helped you see winter in a new light, go ahead and subscribe to Nature's Blueprint. Share this with someone who thinks growing stops in winter, and join a community that's all about growing smarter, not harder.